Are you about to wire the funds to buy your next home? Well, if you are, watch this short video to learn the 3 things you should know before wiring the funds. Hi, I'm Blake Davenport with the Davenport Group. I'm a local realtor in the DC metro area, here to share with you short and simple real estate tips. Today we're going to be talking about the wiring process and 3 things you need to know before wiring the funds to buy your next home. So when I'm talking about wiring funds, I mean sending an electronic wire of money from your bank account to the title company's bank account. The title company is going to tell you the final cash to close. This is going to be your down payment and closing costs minus your earnest money deposit. It's basically all the breakdown of all the costs to buy the home. If you don't want to do an electronic wire and you want to pay via cashier's check, that's fine, but you have to do it 3 business days, or you have to deliver the cashier's check to the title company 3 business days. That's important. 3 business days before closing so they can process it, versus a wire you can do it the morning of. I typically have people do it 1 or 2 days in advance. So since there's no way to reverse a wire, it's very important that you understand these 3 things. First and foremost, please call the title company and confirm the account numbers that you're going to be wiring to. Again, there's a lot of wire fraud that happens where people have wired $1.5 million and they accidentally wired it to the wrong account, or somebody was tricking them or sending fake emails, disguising themselves to be like the title company where they were not. So it's very important that you call the title company before you wire and you confirm all the details of the account information and the routing number. Number 2, make sure you have the final number correct. So reach out to the lender, reach out to the title company, and make sure you have the final cash to close number that gets everybody paid and doesn't delay the process at all. So number 3, it's not a bad idea or it's not a bad thing to wire a little bit more than they tell you for cash to close, just to be safe. Even if you were to wire, say, $1,000 more than they told you, so $51,000 instead of $50,000, they'll just cut you a check for whatever the difference is at closing, or they'll mail it to you. So it's not a bad idea to do so. So to recap, that's pretty much it. What you need to know about the wiring process are these 3 things. Make sure that you confirm the routing number and account number with the title company. Please call them. Do not email, because there can be a lot of fraud that happens. Number 2, make sure that you communicate with the title company and lender again to make sure that you have the final number. And number 3, it's okay if you wire a little bit extra, as you'll just receive a check for the difference at closing. So now you know about the wire process. You're one step closer to buying your next home. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. If you like this video, click the like icon or leave us a comment below. Also click the subscribe button or the bell icon to be notified of our next video. But thanks again for checking out this real estate tip on the wiring process. Bye-bye.